Winter 2026 Decor is all about creating a home that feels warm, stylish, and inviting. From soft textures and layered fabrics to natural elements and subtle metallic touches, these ideas will help every corner of your home feel perfectly winter-ready. Imagine walking into a living room bathed in warm light, soft rugs underfoot, and cozy throws on every chair. This is the season for interiors that are both elegant and comforting. Even small touches, like a scented candle or a decorative tray, can instantly elevate the cozy feel of any room. Warm, earthy color palettes for cozy interiors. Use soft, earthy tones like beige, taupe, caramel, coffee brown, and muted gray to make every room instantly inviting. Apply these shades to walls, sofas, armchairs, and decorative accents. Visual cue: show a living room with a beige sofa, taupe curtains, and caramel toned cushions, layered with natural wood decor pieces. Adding small accents like a rust-colored throw or neutral bases can tie the palette together beautifully. Layer textiles and cozy fabrics everywhere. Introduce chunky knitted throws, soft cushions, faux fur blankets, and velvet pillows in living rooms, bedrooms, and seating areas. Layer them casually to add both comfort and visual interest. A sofa styled with layered throws and mixed texture cushions, with a soft rug below. Even chairs and corners can benefit from a textured throw and a small pillow for instant warmth. Ambient and layered lighting to set the winter mood. Replace harsh overhead lighting with warm floor lamps, table lamps, LED strips, and clusters of candles. Layered lighting creates cozy pockets in corners and highlights decorative elements beautifully. Visual cue: close-ups of a lamp beside a chair with a throw, candles flickering on a console table, and soft LED strips along shelves. Adding dimmable lights or fairy lights can instantly make a space feel magical. Plush rugs and layered flooring for comfort and style. Soft, textured rugs instantly make rooms feel warmer and more luxurious. Layer smaller rugs on top of large base rugs for extra depth and visual interest. Visual cue: a living room shot from above showing a large wool rug with a smaller patterned rug layered on top under a coffee table. Rugs in bedrooms or reading nooks can create small cozy zones that feel inviting. Velvet and layered curtains for luxury and warmth. Install heavy velvet curtains to block cold drafts and add a luxurious feel. Combine sheer panels underneath for texture and soft light diffusion. Visual cue: sunlight filtering through sheer curtains while thick velvet drapes frame the window seat. Tiebacks or subtle metallic curtain rods can add a stylish, finished look. Natural and organic accents to bring winter indoors. Incorporate wooden decor pieces, woven baskets, pampas grass, dried florals, pine cones, and eucalyptus. These natural touches balance modern interiors with organic warmth. Visual cue: a console table styled with a wooden tray, pine cone arrangement, and woven basket holding a throw. Even small touches like wooden coasters or a branch in a vase enhance the seasonal charm. Fireplace and mantle styling for winter elegance. Mantles styled with candles, lanterns, garlands, and ornaments become focal points of the room. Layer decor with metallic accents to create warmth and sophistication. Wide shot of a living room mantle with gold candle holders, greenery garlands, and small decorative ornaments. Adding twinkling fairy lights or small framed photos can personalize the mantle styling. Metallic accents for subtle glamour. Gold, brass, and copper accents add a hint of luxury without overwhelming the space. Use metallic frames, trays, candle holders, and side tables to elevate interiors. Close-up of gold candle holders on a coffee table with a layered throw in the background. Even small metallic decor items, like a bowl or a picture frame, can make a subtle but effective statement. Oversized seating and poufs for relaxed winter corners. Add floor cushions, poufs, and boucle chairs for casual, cozy seating. Draped throws and soft pillows make every corner inviting. Visual cue: a cozy reading nook with a boucle chair, floor pouf, warm throw, and a floor lamp. Placing a small side table nearby for books or coffee can complete the corner perfectly. Dining and table styling for a seasonal touch. Layer table runners, candles, neutral crockery, and greenery for a winter-ready dining space. Include pine cones, berries, and seasonal candles in centerpieces for festive elegance. Dining table styled with layered linens, candles, greenery, and a statement centerpiece. Adding textured napkins or metallic placemats can elevate the table's winter charm. Wall decor and artistic layers. Use muted wall art, abstract prints, and metallic frames to add sophistication. Gallery-style arrangements and layered decor give personality and depth to your walls. Visual cue: a feature wall with a mix of framed prints, a mirror, and small seasonal decor accents. Incorporating winter-themed prints subtly ties the room together without being overpowering. Entryway styling and functional shelving. Make entryways welcoming with console tables, trays, lanterns, and seasonal greenery. Style shelves and side tables with books, candles, and ornaments for functional and chic decor. Visual cue: a console table near the entrance with seasonal garlands, candles, and a decorative tray. Even a small rug or seasonal welcome mat can instantly set the tone for the home. Winter scents and ambience. Introduce winter fragrances like vanilla, cinnamon, cedarwood, or sandalwood with diffusers or scented candles. Paired with layered lighting, these scents complete a cozy sensory experience. Candle close-ups on shelves and side tables with soft lighting. Rotating scents for different rooms can subtly enhance each area's winter vibe. Accent walls and statement decor pieces. Warm accent walls in rust, cocoa, olive, or muted gray create focal points. Incorporate statement decor such as oversized vases, mini indoor trees, metallic accents, or textured art pieces to make every room stand out. Visual cue: living room shot with a warm accent wall, a large statement vase with branches, and metallic decor on side tables. Adding a small floor lamp or sculpture near the wall can complete the composition elegantly. If you love these ideas, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more winter home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching.